guys, today I'm going to unbox this item that I ordered online through Amazon. It is an eye-powered 2-feet fluorescent low light system with stand rack for plant seed starting. So right now I'm in our basement to do this here since it's still cold outside, and it's not right to go outside to start to growing seeds. So I'm gonna do it here inside our house in our basement, and join me in unboxing the item. We're gonna unbox this and then we're gonna assemble. I hope this is easy to assemble, and I'm sure there is a instruction inside so we can easily put this together. So maybe this is the fluorescent. It's only 2 feet. Some foil that we need. Screw. Card. So that's the stand. Assemble this. And if you notice, guys, I chose this area because there's outlet here, so it's easy for me to set up. There's the direction. So I hope that there's a Allen wrench. Yep, it's included a tool, so I don't need to get a tools in our garage. So we're gonna put this. Sure, this one is. This was supposed to be here like that. Yep. Oh, sorry for that. To go. Two down. So next is have to this over here. There we go. And then next is taking off the styrofoam and then the fluorescent lamp. This is it. I think I'll just discuss this. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. We're gonna plug it in and hope it's gonna work. Oh, there you go. It light up. And what I'm gonna do after is, there you go, guys. I'm starting germinate some seeds. I'm doing in my basement because it's still cold outside, and surely the seeds or the plants that's gonna grow will die. So I'm doing it here. So I have this plastic pot. This is recycling. I already recycling this, or recycling. Because I got this last year, and I just saved it. So now I'm using it now. I don't need to buy a new one. And I have to make sure that I'm not gonna make a mess because it's not good. Especially I'm in the basement. This is it, guys. So I'm germinating now my seeds. So I'm just gonna wait until it will sprout the little plants. So I have a various kind of vegetables here. That's the result of my item that I purchased through Amazon.